When driving on a road embankment, we hope that it won't collapse under the wheels of our vehicle. But how certain can we really be? The changing climates may cause landslides and sinkholes to appear more often. So can modern technologies help to keep us safe? Here in Spain, engineers from a European research project are testing an innovative method of accident prevention. This embankment has been specially made of compacted soil for the experiment. A special textile mesh is placed at several levels inside the structure.
So, Paolo, what's the purpose of this particular mesh that we are burying here inside this embankment?
In general, this type of device has two functions. First, it can reinforce the construction, and second, it can help to keep track of the deformations sustained by the structure. In this specific experiment, we are measuring the deformations within the earthworks thanks to this fibre optical sensor, which is embedded within the textile mesh structure.
It's basically the same fibre optic technology as what's widely used in telecommunications, but in this case the thin cables are used as sensors. To test how they work, the engineers flood the experimental embankment with water. The structure deforms on the inside, putting pressure on the buried mesh. The strain is transferred to the integrated sensors that can be read with special equipment.
The fibre optic sensor works like this. We send a beam of light through it and analyse the reflected signal, which tells us about the variations of the wavelength. That makes it possible to determine the deformations of the sensor at every individual point along its length.
The fibres both collect and transmit data, simplifying the design. They're also relatively inexpensive to use and immune to electromagnetic interference. That can be crucial in construction applications. And they're safe around explosives and flammable materials, as there's no electric current inside.
These sensors are very stable. They don't require regular continuous recalibration, and they sustain aggressive environments like geotechnical objects very well. And that makes long-term monitoring possible.
The idea is to embed smart textiles with integrated fibre optic sensors into new elements of road infrastructure that may face floods, landslides and other integrity risks. The thinking is that it will bring out hidden strains or decay in good time to prevent possible collapses.
There are more potential uses of this technology. It's not just for road building. The construction industry can use it to monitor stability of buildings after earthquakes, for example. Or it can be used in tensile architecture to anticipate eventual accidents, measuring the vibrations and strains that may occur within such structures.